Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for boutique clothing store. If you run a boutique clothing store, then sharing all the latest collection and responding to all the queries can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these queries automatically. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for boutique clothing store. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a message like hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi there, welcome to our boutique store. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says new arrivals. And our chatbot has sent us a list of new arrival categories. And there are 3 categories: ethnic wears, western wears and casual wears. Click on the given below option. So I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to choose red anarkali suit. And our chatbot has provided us an image of red anarkali suit. Next, I'm going to click on the track my order option. And it has provided us with a clickable tracking link of the order. Lastly, I'm going to click on book a fitting. And our chatbot responds us with, "Let's get you style, preferred date." So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. And it responds us with, "We have confirmed our fitting booking for this given date. We can't wait to have you." And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for boutique clothing store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Boutique Clothing Store. On the screen, we can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button. Here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this. Our message will look like this, and here I have added little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply options. Let's begin with new arrivals. And for this, I am going to access this list option from here, and here I am going to add all the header, body and footer. So here I have added the header, body and footer, and next I am going to add section. So this is how I have added each item from the category, and now I am going to present a picture for each of the categories. So for Anarkali suit, I am going to access this media button from here, and here I am going to select media type as image, and here I am going to paste the URL of my Anarkali suit. As soon as you paste the picture, a URL will be pasted here. You can add caption as Anarkali suit, and then I'm going to provide an image for floral dress with the help of media option. Here I'm going to select image again, and here I'm going to paste the image of the floral dress. Again, as soon as we apply the picture, a URL will be pasted here. Lastly, I'm going to provide an image for basic shirt. Here I'm going to access the media button again, and here I'm going to choose the image media type, and then I'm going to paste a picture. So here I've provided an image. Once we have provided response for first quick reply option, I'm going to curate a response for the next option, that is track my order. So here I'm going to select text button, and here I'm going to add a clickable tracking link. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for book a fitting, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place the question box here and link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And here I'm going to take the details of the booking. Here I'm asking the customer for preferred date, and here I'm going to select contact custom field as time, and as format I'm going to select any. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. And lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add this message, and here I've added $time because time was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. And this is how we have completed our WhatsApp chatbot for boutique clothing store. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.